So hi guys, good evening. No, so no kinda Kadisha, yes, Kadisha look at me. Guys, good evening. So imagine we're just somebody to start rush now and just come to Kadisha still a look like not keep like not Gwan. So I guess this one I'm going early, but so this is the next clip. Gadisha sit down right there, sir. See her there? Sit down right there, sir. Very, very calm, collective, looking cute, looking nice. When you get her up close, and she can get OTD of the day. Right, Gadisha? Guys, so yes. So it's gonna be a pretty chill evening. I'm really excited and let's go. Let's do it. Let's see. Guys, so we're gonna look at Professor AC. We're gonna look at Professor AC.
Let's look at Professor again.
Let's look at page. Guys, so she doesn't want to be the vlog. But whoa. Anyways, guys, so this is the journey and we're gonna be going along life's way right now. You chicken right there, so guys. Properly trick. He's not trick.
Yeah, that is stress.
Guys, so AC turn off.
This is the
But
game.
yeah. But anyways, guys, see you when we get there.
What are we going to do?
So we're actually here and it's a church service, so you know how that goes, and it's actually Portmore. We're at a gas station. You know, nobody come grab my phone, so you know how that goes. Guys, say hello. So more album people, I don't know. I have a vlog, I have to document it.
Hello, don't ask me.
Gadisha. Guys, here's Gadisha. Here's our outfit of the night.
Only I.
Yes. She have bottom too. Hot head.
Oh, tell your friends that she must put on my bakla water. But one, oh, you have it high.
Hey, you're in the next vlog, you know that? You know that? Guys, so when I get in church, I'll show you guys. Guys, let's go. Guys, I don't know if you can actually hear me, but we're inside and I'm actually excited. So let's see. Gadisha. Guys, she's actually producer, DJ type. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, clear her soul. try this. Cheers. Guys.
Cheers, guys.
Go!
These are some great artists. And they're ready again, but I'm giving them a chance to sell themselves, not rest their voices, while the band prepare themselves to go. Say, go testing. My hallelujah belongs to you. Full stop.
Wash me through and through. He's a job and true. So
such a blessing, guys. Such a blessing. I would encourage anybody to come to this church. It's a which it blessed my heart. It was a coach. It was a blessing. Oh my gosh. Truly a blessing. Jesus. Guys, so anyway, so as we go to the vehicle, basically it's on my way back home. So until we get home, finish the vlog here. But yes, that I tell you, yes, that. Guys, I say this did just turn up. I'm not lie. Yeah. And I come back again. I'm never gonna take a bus and come back, but you never can see me. But me I tell you.
Oh my god, it was awesome!
It was
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah. Me tell you, boy, I tell you, I don't know. God work in mysterious ways.
How him do now?
Mysterious. Well, on guys, not 211. You know, it's at 211 now. When I have the diplomatic pass.
Look here. We'll be home by 11.
Hey man.
But if anything, when you pull us up, I'm just start getting that spirit.
Yeah, you know the I
Ma.
Recon about shot time.
Eh. Mama Shandela got me on there.
Yes.
I feel it.
I want Sunday church. We feel like we're going to church.
Me nah lie you. Them me like them carry on. God know. Jesus.
Why you have to put the ghettoness in the Holy Spirit?
Oh yeah. Me not believe, me not look.
Trust and believe that me I come and karaoke tomorrow.
Trust and believe. It feels so different. I like the fact that it caters to young people, and the fact
Yes,
that
it caters to young people.
it's like they almost go out.
Go out for the one girl to get our DJ set for she
Yeah.
thing that place.
I mean, I say wow.
Yeah.
And
So
even the setup nice, even the setup with the lights and
Yeah, but like she have a look at Natalie about her too, you know.
she have a bus, she buzzy.
And line up.
But the thing is, me really and truly like the fact that
Yeah.
buzzing.
She have a
Buzzing. I'm not telling a lie, but it buzzing. Over put more, you're buzzing. I don't know if you can see me, guys, but it buzzing. All of the belch there.
Kingdom Chill Spots.
Listen,
Right.
I'm not telling no lie. I'm not telling Odette. I know. But I have to come, God know. And Tek with me, I know what something. Alright guys, so I just got in, I just stepped in, and your boy is absolutely tired, but at the end of the day, I'm not tell no lie. I'm not talk it as clean as my white shirt is right now. Tonight they turn up in a better for so nice, but may I tell you say, with Christ in the vessel, you can smile at the sun. Guys, I'm hungry, and I'm gonna look something for you right now, after 11. Okay, so it was a blessing, guys. I'm trying to get this vlogging into my system, because vlogging your life is a bit difficult, because you need to control certain aspects you want people to see, and sometimes it's difficult when you're not in the mood to take up a camera and say hello, hi guys, give energy, talk, find something to talk about. It's a lot, okay, it's a lot, but it's fun. When I edit, it's absolutely, it can be like, I'm in shock that it's me, okay? But guys, tomorrow, let's get it. King Will Squad tomorrow. Guys, peace out. Sleep in.